What's up, guys? This is not Killer King 1 for 2, but I am his cousin and I'm going to be sharing this account with him. So I'm also going to be doing this gun review. This is a G1 pistol BB gun. It comes in a small bag of BBs and the gun itself. I have to say this gun is very powerful. Like, I've killed like few spiders with it, and yeah, it's a really good gun. This was about £10. Everything here is metal except for the magazines and the pistol grip, this thing here, and the magazine release and the trigger. So now I'll show you a few test shots with this gun, show you how powerful it is. As you can see, that was a pretty good shot. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks.